Welcome to the virtual tour of One International Center. Yes, this is the building where anchor tenants like Delloite, Mondelez International, and more have their offices, and we're about to find out why. First, let's talk about the location of this building. One International Center is just a few minutes walk away from the Prabhadevi railway station, giving easy access to both Western and Central railway lines. Plus, it's very close to the monorail, making it convenient to travel for all your employees. It is spread across 1.5 million square feet and was built in the year 2000. It consists of 3 premium-looking towers which are 20, 28 and 33 floors tall. It is surrounded by top-notch hotels like St. Regis and Four Seasons. Amazing retail and dining options are available at Kamala Mills and Palladium Wall, which are just 5 minutes away. And more importantly, other grade A buildings like Lodha One Place, Naman Midtown, Motilal Oswal Tower and One World Center are very close proximity to this building. I would give this building's neighborhood a 10 out of 10. When you step inside, you are greeted by an elegant looking lobby, perfect to make a memorable first impression on anyone who visits the property. Moving to amenities, the property is a classified commercial building with LEED certification. It also has a cult-fit gym on the 10th floor, as well as food courts with trusted brands like Starbucks, Box8 and many more. The best part is that One International Center has indoor as well as outdoor eating areas, so it covers both the preferences. Furthermore, every tower has 4 to 8 high-speed elevators, so this ensures minimal waiting time for all the employees. For those who are traveling by car to this building, there is a lot of parking space, and for executives, there is valet service available. Interestingly, they've combined the parking area with the sitting space, which makes it perfect for employees to take a breather and rest during the lunch break. One International Center is an incredible choice for client-facing companies. So many MNCs, financial institutions, and big companies have rented space in this particular building. For example, Delloite has taken up 7 entire floors in One International Center. The reason for this being that the building is extremely well maintained and has the best-in-class security. And all of this is because it is owned by Blackstone, which is one of the biggest real estate funds in India. Due to this ownership, people cannot buy any property here, and they can only take it on rent from Blackstone. This ownership paves the way for an increase in rentals along with a high occupancy rate year over year. Lastly, here you will only find Floorplates with a higher area ranging from 28,000 square feet to as high as 48,000 square feet. The rent per square feet on carpet area varies from Rs 250 to as high as Rs 350. These rentals are one of the highest in Bombay, but with a building like One International Center and the location, the price is very well justified. That's all about One International Center. If you wish to rent an office in this building or anywhere in Bombay, do give us a call at this number.